So, as part of our continued discussion about various different lab tests, I thought I would talk about some of the most common chemistry panels that are done. And to do that, it's important to think about blood tests like analyzing soup. So soup consists of water, which is the main component of blood also, and then it consists of things that are dissolved in the water. So you wouldn't be able to see that. You could taste them, possibly salt and herbs and things like that. So there are things that are dissolved in the water of blood, and then there are larger things that are sort of floating in the water of blood, just like you would have peas or noodles or things like that that would be floating in soup. So analyzing blood is a lot like that. And one of the things that is important to remember is that we are analyzing concentrations of things. So that means an amount of weight or mass divided by a volume of liquid. So the concentration of something can be increased or decreased by either increasing the mass or decreasing the mass, that is how much stuff is dissolved or floating in that liquid, or you can increase or decrease the water. And either way, that changes the concentration. And that's an important concept for a lot of interpretation of lab tests, and some of those we'll talk about today. So today we want to talk about the chemistries, and when we talk about chemistries, basically what we're mostly talking about are things that are dissolved in the water of blood, not things that are floating in it. So these are smaller compounds, they're molecules rather than cells, and what we want to look at is 4 different general panels that are commonly done. And what I'd like to do is start with the simplest of these and then increase in complexity so that there's an understanding that one of these is actually contained within another, etc. Thanks for watching. Please check out our other videos at helpcare.health, helpcare.health, and subscribe on YouTube.